Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a little bit different from the other ones you have seen because this one is a DIY and I decided to edit it a different style. So since this is new and I'm barely starting, I don't know how to use the software that I'm using to edit. Please bear with me because some parts are really off, but nevertheless I still hope you enjoy this video. So recently I got super into pen paling, so I decided to do some cake pen pals, and these are the photo cards that I printed and I really like how they came out. In case you're interested in the method or the way I did it, then keep on watching. Okay, to start the process for Pick Monkey, I went to sign up for a free trial. After the free trial, you pay only $5.99, I believe a month, so that's fine with me. From there, I went to layouts and I went to the square deal and I clicked on it and I picked the first square and I changed the size to 1200 by 1800 and then clicked on the lock to lock it so it's saved for the size. And then from there I went to background and I went to spacing and deleted the spacing because I want no spacing on my photo cards. And yeah, I kind of messed up here, but nevertheless I just wanted to let you know, in case you don't want to pay for the Pig Monkey, you could just go directly to, I believe, Pig Collage or any collages on your phone and then just edit them there and then just send them to a CVS or Walgreens. For this process, I just picked these four and then I airdropped them to my MacBook. I didn't know this could be possible until I found out. I literally was sending like 8 pics to my Gmail and then downloading them one by one, which sucked, but I found this way easier, so use this one instead. Okay guys, from here the quality of the video is gonna go downhill because I was trying to record with my phone and my little stand, but I didn't realize it was this bad. But nevertheless, I still hope you enjoy this video. Anyways, from here I picked the 4 that I wanted and then I try to put them the way they should, like go the way I believe, because if you put all white then you won't know where to cut for the photo cards. So I just decided to put them around the places. Just move them around however you want them. I took forever to decide how I wanted them, but after quite a while I finally left them the way I liked them. From here you're just gonna export them to your PC or like save them, and since I already have made a lot of them, I just literally had to put like new numbers so then I could find them easier. So that's what you have to do, and then once it's saved, then you have your photo cards saved to your computer. So on the last tip, you don't have to use the apps that I'm using. From here I'm gonna go to Shutterfly and then upload them to Shutterfly, but in case you just want to do them all from your phone, you could just go to CVS or Walgreens and just upload them locally instead of waiting for them to get to your home. What I mean by that is that I literally waited for about a week for them to ship to me, but then I realized I could have just done them on my phone and then printed them here locally at my CVS instead of waiting for so long. After I uploaded all of them to Shutterfly, I just went to go check, see if everything was okay. Like I said, I made a lot of them. I made about 200 photo cards. Actually, it was like 50 and 4 stacks, so that makes 200 of course. And then from here I just went to try to upload them to the cart, and from here the process is pretty simple. You're just gonna have to put your address, your name, your I believe your card to pay for them. But right now they have like a little thing that if you're new to Shutterfly you can get like 50% off, or you don't really have to pay the shipping, which I only paid about $6.71, which is pretty cheap for 200 cards. My third and final tip is pick the glossy finish, because I picked the matte. I didn't know what pearl was. I picked the matte and my pictures when I was trying to upload them, they were like super like bright, and then I picked the matte and they came out like super pale. Like, I don't know how to describe it. I wish I could have printed them glossy, but I mean, I learned from my mistakes. Next time I'll just print them glossy. And then, like I said, from here the process is pretty simple. Just gonna get your address, your shipping, all that good stuff. But I still hope you guys like this video, and if you do, don't forget to thumbs it up.
벌써 식으면 안 돼. 제발 가지 마. 떠나지 마. 너무 추워. 머물러줘. 따뜻하게 뜨겁지.
Never forget that I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
꿋꿋하게 위태롭게 내 곁에